Hey, welcome back to the course. This lecture is going to be about strategies. We're going to go through two of the strategies that are in the book. The first strategy is dual stochastics, and the second one is called brain has rest. All right, let's look at the first one first. And this is the infographic, but in a little bit we're going to apply it to the MT4 platform. How it works is we use a 4-hour chart. We add two stochastic indicators to the platform, one with the settings of 56, 20, 20, and the other one with the settings of 14, 5, 5. When they're both in overbought or oversold and they're coming out of that area, then we enter a trade. We go for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and we set our stop loss at the recent swing high or low. Okay, as you can see, we just add the stochastics through the menu system here. You can do it the other way that we've done before. And we change the settings to 14, 5, and 5. And then we add a second stochastics the same way. And for that, we changed the settings to 56, 20, and 20. And now we have them both on the chart. You can hit the minus sign so you can zoom in, zoom out a little more, and use the crosshair to line up the lines on the overbought and oversold areas with the price chart above it. There's something there. I don't think that would have been a winner unless you're discounting it because of the trend. You're going against the trend. And then we can scroll back, make sure that button is depressed. It allows you to scroll back. Use the crosshairs again, and there's one there, but the other one is on the other side. This one, but the longer term stochastic is not in the overbought. Here's a good one here. This one, the long stochastic stayed in the overbought until the trend ended, and then it came down there, and looks like a good entry there. We would use a take profit twice the size of the stop loss. Set the stop loss at the swing high. Now to save this layout, we go to template, save, and then we call it whatever we want, dual stochastic. And then we go to another chart, and that way if we want to apply that same strategy, we just go to the templates and click on dual stochastics, and there it is. Change it to 4 hours as in the strategy. You can demo with other time frames. Now we're going to look at the second strategy, which is called brain has rest. The reason it's called that because it has to do with big round numbers, Heikin Ashi, and support and resistance. To apply the Heikin Ashi, we just add it to the chart by double clicking, and it looks like these red and white lines. Then we add our sweet spots, and we change the settings slightly so there's not too many lines. So the ideal setting for the sweet spots for this strategy would be 1000 and 500 on the bottom one. And that's what we get. Now, how this works is once the colors change of the candles and it has reached one of these lines, then we enter a trade the other way. We set the take profit twice the amount of the stop loss, and the stop loss would be also the swing high and low, and also beyond the line. And again, we would save the template the same way, and that way you can apply it to other charts easily. Now these are just two strategies that I came up with. You can use them, but I recommend you come up with your own, because that's the whole point of the course. So you can come up with your strategies, test them, and see if they work, see if they're profitable. There are many resources online that you can go to get free strategies at. Just Google it, and you can use them as they are, or you can change the parameters and make them your own. Try different time frames depending on the things we went to in earlier lectures. And that's it for this lecture on strategies. In the next lecture, we're going to wrap it up. See you there.